2013 Topps Chrome Football box number RW1. There are your divisions, and there are your boxes. We rolled for it earlier, box number 11. It's box number 11 out of the fresh case. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for getting into the breaks as usual. Appreciate it. PC Love. Nice. Man, it feels like the old days. I just need a box of Strata. That'd be awesome. All right, here we go. Andrew Luck. Patrick Willis refractor for the 49ers. T. Wills and Ryan Swoop. Ed Reed. Larry Fitz. Bakari Rambo and a sepia /99. Kenny Stills. Number 50. It goes to Stu Fan. Reggie Wayne, Tony Romo refractor, Brian Banks, and Theo Riddick. Gronk, Santonio Holmes, Stephen Taylor, and Marcus Wheaton for the Steelers. Mike Wallace, Zach Ertz, mini rookie. Joseph Randall, E.J. Manuel. Hey Twin, how are you? Des Bryant, Stedman Bailey, Tallboy rookie. Kenyon Barner, and our good friend Vance McDonald. Hey J. Ken, how are you? Welcome to the tank. Ray Rice, Roddy White refractor, Ogletree, and Ryan Nassib. Earl Thomas, Jacoby Jones, Eddie Lacy, and a redemption, Camo Jockle. It's not a Camo Lacy, but it's a Camo Jockle. There we go. AFC South, Pat P. Now we need to go after some color. Let's get a gold or something crazy. Darren Sproles, Palmer, Bostic, Brandon Whedon, Prism to 260, 197 of 260. Russell Wilson, Cam Newton refractor, Manti, and Alex Okafor. Doug Martin, Clay Matthews, D. Milliner, Stephen Taylor, 86 Topps. Stafford, Cutler, Chance Warmack, pink is the color of Drew Brees, numbered to 399. Jared Allen, Aaron Dobson, Marcus Hunt, and Robert Woods, 86 tops. Polamalu, Brandon Marshall, refractor. Christine Michael, Monty Ball. Champ Bailey, Chris Long, refractor. Sean Williams and Bjorn Werner. Brandon Whedon, Joe Flacco, Sheldon Richardson, and Eric Fisher. Crabtree, Freeman, Matt Barkley, and Matt Scott, Blue Wave, rookie for the Jaguars. It's a Jaguars and Saints box. London Fletcher, EJ, Mini, Minter, and Sharif Floyd. Bowman, Peterson, Rogers, and Zach Stacy. Patrick Peterson, Percy Harvin, refractor. Travis Kelce, and Marcus Wheaton. Matt Schaub, Jamal Charles, refractor. Honey Badger, and Matt Scott. Anquan Bolden, Turd Wilson, retro. Ace Sanders, and Le'Veon Bell, 86 tops, retro. Doomerville, Kuechly, Juwan Jameson, Geno Smith, 86 retro. And last pack, AJ Green, Decker, Kyle Long, and Theo Riddick for the Lions, rookie camo, number 434, $4.99. Thanks for getting in the break, guys. I'll put the video up here